can I say? It's just another day in the life of a poet who's grown altogether tired of the pavements. Cheers, folks. Now, at this point, the energy of autumn is beginning to hit somewhat. It's not just me. The trees are missing their leaves as well, and pretty much the only thing I seem to be able to find growing on the trees these days is the ivy. Look, there we go. The year draws on. Now, if you're wondering why it is I'm not doing so many lives these days, it's because I find them fucking irritating, and I'm pretty sure my audience does as well. Much better to just show you the views. As you can see, it's quite steep here. It's all fun, all the same. Moving along though, there's wood to be collected. What can I say? You can't have the life without the fire. If you're curious to know what it is I'm puffing on it, well, this one's strawberry and banana. Some might ask why I don't just go to a fucking fruit shop instead. Say a fruit shop, sweet shop, a sweet shop, a fruit shop. Truth is, you can't inhale a sweet, can you? Oh, fucking hell, doggy. What you doing there, mate? I know you. I fucking see you, doggy. Fucking ivy everywhere. As always, we're just looking for the dead bits. Found another one. The only problem with the English countryside is that no matter where you go, there's always a fucking dog walker. As always sticks to be fucking had. Oh my, whatever do we fucking do? This is my life. As you can fucking see, I'm literally trying to navigate these fucking sticks around the bastard trees. They're quite long. Watch the forest take back over. And when I say take back over, I literally mean take back over. Believe it or not, it's a former industrial site. Now at this point, well, let's just say I managed to navigate the trees with this fucking wood. Now all I've got to do is get this fucking wood up this fucking hill. That moment you get back and nearly shit yourself because there's someone by your fucking fire. Back to the fire. See, some people, I don't quite get the lifestyle, but those who matter do get the lifestyle. Truth is, nothing that was ever worth being inspired by was found from the comfort of your own living room. For everything else, trust in the fire. Why do the trees wave and the angels sing as the heavy rain and the wind blows in? As the springtime flowers start to bloom and I lay there cold by the fading moon? Why do the seasons battle in the sky as the last of winter starts to fly away before a raging spring which comes with a fresh warm western wind? Why do the waves crash on a sleepless night to the sound of birdsong taking flight before my wintered frozen eyes just as the sun it starts to rise? Why does a weathered heart it fade away along with winter's winds and waves which keep me up on long dark nights beneath a grey cold island sky?